This is dread.pirate.forex, and today we are going to talk about what is Forex. In this video, we will discuss the basics of what Forex is, how to trade it, when can you trade it, the benefits of trading Forex, and the risk involved. So Forex, what is it? The foreign exchange market, also referred to as Forex or FX or even currency market, is where you exchange one currency for another. You're basically buying and selling a currencies simultaneously and vice versa. If you've ever traveled abroad, then you have done this likely on a very simple platform just by exchanging your bills for the denomination of the country you're visiting. So if you've ever traveled to another country and exchanged your money for their money, you have participated in Forex trading. The foreign exchange has been around for centuries in many different forms, dating back to the 4th century AD. This isn't a history lesson, so we're not going to get into the different types of Forex trading there's been over the years. We are just going to talk about Forex in the now. The Forex market has become the world's largest and most traded market in the world. These numbers, don't quote me on them, they change, but I believe the Forex market moves around $4 to $5 trillion a day, opposed to the New York Stock Exchange, which moves around, I believe, 70 billion, somewhere around there. So you see the huge difference in liquidity. Currencies fluctuate in value constantly, and FX trading is a way to profit from this. How do you trade Forex? You trade Forex through a broker who provides you the swaps for a small fee usually. They're going to charge you a small tax to use their platform to make your trades. I recommend researching any broker before signing up with them because there are many brokers online, and it can be hard to know which ones are good and which ones are bad because not all brokers are good. So regulated brokers are the only brokers you should trust, and I recommend using regulated brokers in the country that you are trading from. So if you're in America, use an American regulated broker and vice versa. There are 4 things you need to trade Forex. A broker, like talked about. A trading platform. Now, I will recommend MetaTrader 4. This is the most widely used platform for trading. It can be downloaded on Android devices, Apple devices, laptops, computers, and most brokers use MetaTrader 4 as their platform to make trades. So there are other platforms you can use. You can Google those yourself, but I recommend MetaTrader 4. You will need a PC, a phone, or a laptop. And of course, money. You cannot expect to make money if you don't have money to trade with in the beginning. When can you trade Forex? The Forex market can be traded 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, from Sunday evening through Friday evening. You can trade Forex from anywhere with an internet connection via your mobile phone, your laptop, or your PC. So anytime you have signal or internet connection, you can be trading Forex. So what are the benefits of trading Forex? It requires very little money to get started, opposed to the stock market where you need generally a large sum of money to see large sums of money in return. The Forex market, you can start with as little as $100 US, maybe even lower than that in some cases. And that's good for most people because most people don't have thousands of dollars to throw around. So that is a good benefit of Forex trading. The average person can get into it with a little amount of money. It can be done from anywhere, 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, as I talked about. So if you have a job and you can't do it while you're working, you can do it while you're at home. There are 5 days a week and 24 hours in those days. So there are some time during those 5 days that you should be able to have time to put towards Forex trading and trying to make a profit from it. That is a good benefit of it. It helps the average person who has a busy schedule make time to trade. And there are many different sessions you can trade. There's London sessions, New York sessions, Asian sessions. where the markets move a lot much faster than it does during other periods of the day, which you will find out more if you get more into learning about Forex. It can be a great way to generate extra income, or even eventually replace your current income if you decide to take on trading full time. Like I said, if you have a job, this can be a great way in the beginning to add extra income to your accounts to pay your bills. And eventually you can get to a point to where if you're profiting enough and you've saved up enough money, you can become a full-time trader and do this for a living. The market moves faster than the stock market, so the return percentages can be much better. The market is much more volatile, so the returns daily, weekly, monthly, yearly can be astronomically better than those in the stock market, especially for those people with smaller accounts. You can grow your account much faster in Forex than you can with stock if you're starting with a small account. I've seen people go as much as 200% returns in, a day, in a week. It moves that fast and it's that volatile, but make sure you are managing your risk properly, and that's something else that you can get into further. That's something that you need to understand. So what are the risks of trading Forex? Well, Forex trading, in a sense, is a form of gambling. You're betting your money to make a profit. You can either win or lose. You're going to lose money or you're going to make money. So it is gambling. So if you have a gambling addiction, it might not be for you. Or, just be warned that it is a form of gambling. So if you're not sure, then be cautious, because it can be very, very addictive, which can lead to this next one, losing money. You can lose a lot of money trading Forex if you're not careful, and you are addictive and have gambling issues. You can lose a lot of money. So please be aware of that risk. And also, it can affect you psychologically. Forex trading, in my opinion, is more mental than anything. You will find out how tough you are mentally when you become a Forex trader by yourself. You will need to, understand the fears that you have, the greed that you have inside you. Those are things that will come to light when you become a trader in the Forex market. So please understand that that is a risk. It can affect you mentally, and it can be very stressful, psychologically. So that is something you should be aware of. And you can also go into debt. A lot of people like to take out loans to try to open large accounts. Never do that. You can go into debt trading Forex. That is a risk that you should take into consideration. Some bonus material for you guys. Do not let the risk scare you away. I know the risk seems not worth it, but honestly, it is a great way to make an income. If you take it serious and you put in effort, the results, they'll come and they'll show. If you study the markets and you put in the time to learn and to really develop your skill and your strategy, then you can become a very, very profitable trader. And it can be more profitable than anything else that you do. So if you take it serious and you want to be a full-time self-made trader, you can, but you have to put in the work. But you can also find people to manage your funds for you if you don't have the time, you don't have the psychological capabilities, because it's not for everyone. You can find people who are successful traders who will manage your funds for you. Now, they will take a commission from it, but they will take care of your money for you, and it moves much faster than the stock market, and you'll see better returns. So, I can recommend, going out and finding people who manage funds, but generally these people are going to want anywhere between $1,000 to up to $1 million minimum deposit investment for you to invest in their funds. So just take that into consideration. That is an option for you if you do not want to trade for yourself. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Never trade money that you need for bills. Don't open an account and put in money that you need for rent in hopes that you're going to be able to flip that money really fast, take it out, and then have extra income. No, don't ever trade money you can't afford to lose. And never take out a loan to fund an account. Never take out a loan to fund an account. Very simple. Never do it. That is a big no-no. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at dread.pirate.forex for some training material, trade analysis, trade breakdowns, and trade outcomes. This video will be uploaded to my YouTube channel as well. And also feel free to subscribe to my Instagram at dread.pirate.forex for trade results analysis, testimonials, and motivational material. And thanks again for watching. If this video was at all helpful to you, I encourage you to leave a like and maybe a comment, and also share it with your friends and your family, and let everyone else know the benefits and of forex trading. It can be a great way to make money, especially for those who don't have a lot of money to start with. So please, I encourage you to share this video and to leave a like if it was at all helpful. This is the Dread Pirate, and I'm signing out.